In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Quillbot History 2023. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Quillbot and press Enter. From the results, click the official Quillbot website. This gets you to the home page quickly, even if you don't remember the exact URL. Before we dive into where to find history, here's an important clarification. In 2023, Quillbot did not offer a general, user-facing history section for the main paraphraser. That means you won't see a universal log of past paraphrases or a recent activity page for everything you've done. However, some individual tools inside Quillbot do include their own history views. I'll show you 3 places where you can check past activity: AI Detector, Plagiarism Checker, and AI Humanizer. First, go to the AI Detector. Once the page loads, look to the right side of the screen for a history icon, often represented by a clock or list symbol. Click it to open your AI Detector history. Here, you can review your previous checks and reopen items to see what you ran before. Keep in mind that availability may depend on your account and plan, and the display can be tied to your logged-in profile or current device. If you don't immediately see entries, it may be because you haven't used the tool recently or you're not on the same account or browser. Next, navigate to the Plagiarism Checker. On this page, look for the option labeled Previous Scans. Click that to view your scan history. You'll typically see a list of past documents or text checks, along with details like dates and results. From there, you can open a previous scan to review the report again. New scans usually require credits, but reopening prior reports is often available as part of your history list. Finally, head to the AI Humanizer. Just like with the AI Detector, check the right side for a history icon and click it. This reveals your recent rewrites within the Humanizer tool, allowing you to revisit earlier outputs without having to run the same text again. To wrap up, while the main paraphraser didn't provide a universal history in 2023, you can still see past work inside specific tools: the AI Detector via its history icon, the Plagiarism Checker through previous scans, and the AI Humanizer via its history icon. If keeping a full record is important to you, consider copying your final results into a document as you work. Interfaces can change over time, so if something looks different, check the tool's sidebar or help resources for the latest layout.